Please introduce yourself.
I am Amrit Prabhu, Country Manager for Philips Lumileds in India.
I'm Ivan Choi. I'm the regional marketing for Philips Lumileds in Asia.
Okay, could you please tell us a bit about your company?
Yeah, we are the Philips Lumileds, the largest manufacturers of the LEDs, right? So we have the full portfolio of the LEDs, right, from the mid power to the high power to the COB and the colored LEDs. So we have full spectrum of LEDs, and we have the best of the best efficacies in the world right now, right, exceeding close to 160 hot lumen per watt on the high power and 161 lumen per watt on the mid power. And on the COB we are like exceeding over 130 hot lumen per watt.
And what is your focus right now?
We are going across all applications, right? So the focus, we are having product by application, right? We have specific products for indoor, outdoor, street light, high bay application. So we are going with the products for a particular application.
And do you see popularity in a certain application area?
Yes, we have seen that street lights were very popular. Now we are seeing the indoor downlights and troffers are getting very popular, right? And now we also see that the LED bulbs and tubes are getting popular. So these are all the segments which is getting very popular now.
Okay, with regard to LED bulbs, I think you're the leaders in. What is the price range of an LED bulb, say, and is it easily available in the market?
Well, we have always been the leaders as Philips and Philips Lumileds, right? So in the LED component as well. With respect to the price, I will not be able to comment much on the entire bulb because we are coming from the LED as a component. But I would say that this has become affordable these days. So we have started to sell the bulbs in the market, and many of our customers are using our chips into the bulbs, and we see that there's a strong growth that has happened in the bulb market.
What kind of reception has LED bulb market seen in terms of consumers for households?
You mean to say what are the factors that has enabled the...
Have you seen an adaptability towards that from consumers?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, because of the recent ad campaigns that you would have seen, right, that Philips has invested. There's a strong push from there's a pull from the market that we see, right? Customers are coming and asking for the LED bulbs, right? Basically driven by your affordable. I mean, these bulbs are becoming affordable, and at the same time they feel that this is really efficient. They started realizing the efficiencies of these LED bulbs, so which is why we are seeing that this is growing very fast.
And what other sectors do you see the growth of LED technology?
We are seeing it cross sectors. I mean, right from street light to LED bulbs or to the indoor, the professional luminaire segments. So we are seeing across applications.
Are you foreseeing any new sector in the future?
Yes, we are. Right, medical is growing very fast. Horticulture is growing very fast in India. So these are some of the new applications that we are seeing is coming up.
What are you exhibiting at your stall at the Expo?
Oh, we have fantastic products to display this time. We have a new product called as the Luxion TX, right? So which is breaking barriers in terms of the efficacy levels. As I said, we are like 159 hot lumens per watt, freedom from binning, high CRI, right? So this is we are exhibiting now. We also have a strong COB portfolio, right, doing very well, and we also have the mid power, right? We have power going very strong into the market, and we have been very successful in the mid-power segment. So that's what we are displaying this time.
Would you like to add something, Ivan?
Yeah, I think I'm ready to cover all the new products that we have, but I would like to emphasize on our product. Like now, we can covering from 10 lumens up to 9,000 lumens. So from Philips Lumileds LED supplier, we can support all the industry, the different lumen requirement for all the lighting application.
Yeah. And do you have to say anything about the LED industry?
Well, in India market, we see the market still growing, especially in the outdoor, and then now indoor application is picking up. So in this year, we see a lot of indoor application, for example, the downlighter, the tube, and also the truffle. And also by this end of this year, we also see some customer already starting the development on the light bulb. So this is a good sign for us, and we see there's more opportunity for us to get the better revenue in India.
And how's your experience been at the show?
You have been seeing us year after year, right? So we really like this show, right? And the experience is always better and better year after year.
Have you seen an increase in consumer awareness about the technology?
Yeah, definitely. There's no doubt about that. So we see a whole lot of change from the first LED Expo that we participated to now. So the consumer acceptance has increased, their knowledge about the LED lighting has increased.
What kind of questions are they asking?
I think it's getting more technical because of the awareness that they have, right? So typical questions are like how much are they able to save, what is the energy efficiency with respect to conventional CFL, right? So these are the typical questions that we get from the consumers or the end users.
Do you see a change in, say, the price sensitivity?
That has always been the concern, but I see that most of the customers are happy that the way the price reduction has happened. Now they see that it is starting to become affordable, right? So and most of the customers that have come and asked us about the LED lamps, most of them have bought one of the LED lamps. So that's a good indicator.
What would you say is the largest factor in price decline? Contributes to price decline?
Well, I think the energy efficiency in the street light, and it also, the matter of fact is that the target fitted efficacy on the street light, on the street lighting, reducing the energy consumption. I think that has been a major factor, and the awareness amongst the municipal corporations that has happened in the recent past, right? So it's leading to more and more adoption of this LED lighting into the street lights.
What factors would contribute towards the reduction in price of a product, would you say?
It used to be LEDs in the past, but right now I see that it's just not the LEDs. There are so many other components like the drivers, that the housing or the fixture in itself. So they are also a significant contributor. So I think as an industry, everybody has to contribute in bringing down the price. It's just not the LED alone, right? So I think it's the entire ecosystem has to work on it.
Okay, would you like to conclude by saying anything?
Well, I think next year is going to be great. Just like this year, it will continue to happen. The market is growing at the expected rate of 30 to 40%. I think that will continue to happen. We are motivated to see many more applications coming in, and the kind of acceptability is there for the LED lighting. I think that's very much motivating, and we are glad about that.
Okay, would you like to say something?
Especially in the cost down trend, right? So we see our LED, we can have the same price as this year. Maybe the lumen improvement or the lumen output already can achieve like maybe 10%, 20% higher with the same price. So this already automatically decrease the price of the manufacturing cost or the BOM cost of the fixture.
Thank you so much. Thank you for talking to us. Thank you.